In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Notion. Notion doesn't have a one-click backup feature, so the reliable way to protect your work is to export a copy of your pages. I'll walk you through a clean, repeatable process that creates a downloadable archive you can keep safe. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the home page, select Login. In this walkthrough, I'm using Google to sign in, so click Google and then pick your Google account when prompted. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine. Just log in as you usually do so you land in your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page you want to back up and open it. This method exports the current page and, if you choose, everything nested inside it, so make sure you've selected the right page before continuing. Look to the upper right of the page and open the page menu by clicking the three dots. From that menu, choose Export. Think of Export as Notion's practical substitute for backup. It packages your page into a file you can store elsewhere, which is perfect for safekeeping and version history. In the Export window, click Export Format to pick the file type. Here's a quick guide. HTML gives you a folder that looks and reads like a web page. Markdown and CSV is great for portability and restoring content into other tools. PDF is ideal for read-only snapshots. Choose the format that best matches how you expect to use your backup later. Next, enable Include Databases so any tables, boards, calendars, or lists on the page are captured in the export. Then select Include Content. This ensures the text, images, and attachments that Notion can bundle are included. Keep in mind that some external embeds remain links, which is normal for exports from many tools. Turn on Include Subpages to bring along all nested pages beneath the one you're backing up. If your page is a hub with lots of child pages, this option saves time and preserves context. To keep things organized, enable Create Folders for subpages. This mirrors your page hierarchy as folders inside the exported archive, making it much easier to navigate later. When everything looks right, click Export. Your browser will download a zip file containing the page, and if you selected them, its databases and subpages. Store this file somewhere safe with a clear name. Adding the date helps, and repeat this process whenever you want an updated snapshot. That's all there is to creating a dependable Notion backup through export.